Everyone loved using this product when we launched it, except me. I actually hated using this product. This is our hard oil gel. It blew up when we launched it. Thousands of curly haired women loved using it, but I didn't. I hated it. It's just that it wasn't giving the kind of softness, definition, and consistency that I was looking for. And if I didn't really love it, how could I sell it? So I went to my co founder, who's actually the formulation expert, and I told her that it's not working for me and that we should stop it. She just looked at me and said, try using it again, but a little differently. Like, instead of layering it with the leave in conditioner, why don't you layer it with a curl cream? Because we sell this combo as the leave in and hard oil, and that works magically well for a lot of curly haired people. But that combo just didn't seem to work for me. So that's what I did. I switched things up. I tried using the curl cream instead of the leave-in conditioner, styled on soaking wet hair, and to seal in all of that goodness, I used our setting spray as the final step. And my god, the results, I was blown away. As you can see my hair, this is styled using this combo. And now literally this is the only gel that I use, especially when the weather is super humid, which is like today. There's a learning curve when it comes to using this gel, especially for those people who are not used to using gels. But trust me, once you figure it out, you will love it. Like, just look at these results which I have gotten. And every single time I travel or meet our customers, this is all that I'm hearing, that this gel is perfect for humid weather, because that's when your hair actually frizzes up and nothing that you do will actually work on your hair. But hey, now we have this miracle gel. This is my day 5 hair. As a founder, I really don't have the time to wash my hair more than once or twice a week. And this gel has given me results for up to 5 whole days. So if you're someone who wants strong hold, long lasting definition, or felt like, what, I've tried this gel, but it just doesn't seem to work for me, trust me, go ahead and give it one more shot. This is straight coming from the founder of the brand.